welcome back to the new vlogs. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Beauty and Bold. And here I am with my hot water. It's because आज मैं vlog बहुत जल्दी start कर. It's almost 9:30. That's why I am with my hot water now. This vlog is gonna be the trip preparation vlog. So yeah, I am going on a trip, and you won't believe I am not going with Altamush this time. It's a very special one because there are 3 people that's traveling this time. That's me, my mom, and my sister. So it's very first time that all 3 of us are traveling together, matlab khali ladies, and it's gonna be very difficult. I have planned everything, so sab mere sar pe hi hai. Also my mom doesn't know that we're traveling. I'll tell you guys everything later. Let me just sip on my water and let's get started with the day, and we'll come back from gym and lunch kiya, got ready. But now there's a small problem. My packing is still there, is because I have to shoot a video. Unless I shoot, I can't pack. And we currently light nahi hai in terms of we have generators, so because of that you can see that one light. But I think I need more light for me to shoot the video. But abhi current situation is like, aaj pata nahi kyun this thing is happening, and we're going out for some walks. I just thought light nahi, let's go outside. बाहर के काम कर लेते and then आके I'll most probably record the video and start. No, what is happening? The flight ticket got cancelled. जाने की नहीं, आने की वापस it got cancelled. I just got message. I'll show you guys somewhere here. Also मेरा थोड़ा सा हाथ जल गया, and then a lot of things that's happening. Light चली गई है. I really don't know. The most worst thing is that flight cancel. Okay, so we have to book another one. We had an option of we were getting a refund or select the other timing, but other timing is like really late, and I don't want to come back really late because my sister has a work next day. So we are planning to take the refund, another ticket, and that is still pending. We'll do that today most probably. Abhi it's very expensive currently, and उसकी वजह से हमारा थोड़ा budget भी हिल जाएगा. But let's see. I just hope हो जाए अच्छे से. So let's go out and chill for some time. थोड़ा बहुत काम है बाहर का. We'll do that and enjoy the weather. Weather अभी currently बहुत अच्छा है. So yeah. So अभी जो काम करने आया था that we are almost done, and I'm waiting for Altamush. Actually I need a dark chocolate compound. तो वही पूछने गए इधर. I'm not able to find here. जहाँ से हम लेते थे वहाँ out of stock अभी currently. So we just went to ask, and then we'll be going home, and most probably I'll start my packing. Also one more issue is there. I am going for like 3 to 4 days. Altamush is also traveling with his friends for 2 days. But the problem is जब तक मैं नहीं हूँ for 4 days, I don't know what he's gonna have, because मेरी जो पुरानी maid थी, she used to cook, like she was a cook in the building, so she used to cook. अब now I have a new maid, she's not into cooking and all that stuff. So मुझे कोई दूसरी देखना पड़ेगा या तो अरेंज करना पड़ेगा कुछ ना कुछ खाने का. That I have to talk with Altamush and get that done. That is the major concern that I have. ऐसे Altamush can't really cook. He can do not even basics I should say, but yeah, so that's gonna be a problem for him. You have to sort that out first. Finally I'm done with the video, and look at the mess. If you can see all that mess that I've made, I have to clean up, but I'm really tired now, so I'm gonna give some time, go and do a little bit of walking, and then start with this, get this thing done. The current situation is this, and I'm not feeling good about packing. Mostly कल सुबह उठ के करूँगी, dresses कर लिया है, rest, accessories and all that stuff will be done by tomorrow. Hi guys, so it's the day I'm leaving for Mumbai. I don't know, this time it's not difficult. I have to pack and everything just to leave from here, because I'm just like not able to take it. That मैं गई हूँ मुंबई बहुत बार अकेले, मतलब I have a friend that I travel with her mostly, and आज it's very difficult to pack and leave. Guys, so as I told you guys, I have to leave today. अभी तक तो I should have been on my way and halfway पहुँच गई होती, but since morning I've been into this thing that calling my parents halfway, and Altamush will drop me halfway and give them surprise that I am coming to stay with them. My mom is completely unaware of the trip. She's unaware that I'm gonna come with them today, and all those things. So since morning all these things been going on, planning and all that stuff. Finally they agreed that they're coming to Lonavala, and we are also going there to have some great time, but they don't know that I'm actually going to go back home with them. So this is the current situation. I'm happy that I'm going with Altamush because I get to spend more time with him, and he'll drop me most probably, and instead of going alone I'm going with him. He could have dropped me as well, but I don't want कि वो पूरा मुंबई तक आए and then go back, and that's a really long journey, and I hardly like an hour or so from like 1.5 or 1 hour minutes थोड़े वड़ा पाव पार्सल करवाया एंड दिस इज मूंग का भजिया ना, मूंग के भजिया. So we stopped and took a little bit of bhajiyas and vada pav. I don't eat vada pav, but bhajia इसका बहुत टेस्ट होता है. मूंग दाल का भजिया you should try. It's on the market only, जो not market, लोनावला का जो मेन रोड होता है ना, उधर ही छोटी सी दुकान है which is very very famous. हम उसके पास से बहुत साल से खा रहे हैं. whenever we go up, मेक श्योर कि हम वहाँ से भजिए लेके जाए. ऊपर जाके भी आप कांदा एंड आलू का भजिया एंड चीज़ भजिया एंड ऑल दैट, बट ये जो मूंग के भजिए इनके बहुत फेमस एंड इट्स रियली नाइस. सो वी ऑलवेज टेक दैट. तभी साइड में रुका के आई टुक दैट क्विकली, टेकिंग सम बिस्किट्स के ऊपर जाके चाय बिस्किट्स भी खा सके एंड अदर थिंग्स विल बी देयर ऑन द टॉप. तो अब आई एम नॉट श्योर ऊपर जाने मिलेगा कि नहीं, क्योंकि इतनी बारिश हो रही है. ऑल्सो द वेदर इज सो गुड. आई मीन हमने बहुत अच्छे से किया एंड स्पेशली मैं मॉम इज भी हैप्पी बिकॉज शी लव्स इट एंड तो शी इज वेरी हैप्पी. बहुत ज़्यादा क्या नीचे उतर के लेट्स एंजॉय द व्यू. लोग ऑलमोस्ट 4 घंटे लगेंगे मुझको इधर पहुंचने. बहुत गाली पड़ने वाली है भी मुझको स्पेशली. ये देखो सरप्राइज, ये तो आने ही वाली थी, ये भी सरप्राइज है और मम्मी तो वैसे भी आने वाले थे.
आधे घंटे से पता चला अभी गाड़ी चालू नहीं.
मम्मी दिख ही नहीं रही. शिट मम्मी. हाँ ये तो कीड़े.
शैडो में पतला लगता है भाई.
अलीशा रिप्ले दिखाई अगर उसको पैसे दे तो कैसे गिरे. नहीं पर उसको लगा.
नहीं बहुत जलेगा.
अरे लाइट है.
पानी डाल देना फटाक से.
कुछ नहीं होगा.
उड़ गया.
जला
नहीं.
मारो भाई, मारो सैंडल मारो. मारो पकड़. अरे रुक जा, डरेगा. अरे रुक जा, रुक जा. अरे उल्टा कौन. तो वीकेंड में
फर्स्ट टाइम आया हूँ ना, इधर सब कुछ है मम्मा, सब कुछ. अंदर बहुत सारे हॉर्स है, कैमल भी है उधर, और सिटिंग एरिया भी बहुत अच्छा है. लेकिन बहुत अच्छी है. बेशर्मो तोड़ दोगे उसको. अलीशा तोड़ देगी उधर. मम्मा मार जा मार. सो गुड. बहुत अच्छी है. कॉलर वाला बट कौन जा रहा है वो देखो. और मैं और 2 टिकट भेजे ना. अलीशा दोनों चीज़ भेज रहे हैं
वो पानी डालने के लिए वो नहीं
सफरी का तुम संभाल।
हाँ पानी का तुम संभाल। ये हम तीनों जा रहे फर्स्ट टाइम अपन तीनों जा रहे। तो आई एम होम। हम कल रात में आ गए थे बट आज सुबह से आई एम जस्ट नॉट फीलिंग वेल। कल वी हैव टू लीव एंड लुक एट मी नाउ, आई एम लाइक रियली डाउन. But now we're planning to go and get my haircut. I'm not sure if I'm going to get haircut, but a hair spa. That is necessary जाने से पहले. So I'm just getting that done with mom. So we're just leaving for that. आज का दिन I had so much of things to do. मतलब मैंने एकदम फुल सोच के थी मैं ये करूँगी वो करूँगी, but I'm seriously so down. I just hope कल तक मैं better हो जाऊँ so that we can travel. But yeah, let's go and get my hair treatment done for like a जाने का नहीं था. हम लोग ने इतनी मेहनत करके गए. लिटरली देखो मालूम 1 घंटा लिशा 1 घंटा 10 मिनट लगा. इतना ट्रैफिक था हद के बाहर ट्रैफिक था. एंड जाके भी कुछ फायदा नहीं हुआ, बंद होने आ गया वो. एंड उसने हम लोग को लिटरली बोल दी नहीं 2 जन का तो पॉसिबल नहीं है, किसी एक का ही होगा. तो मम्मी लाइक आई टोल्ड मम्मी कि मम्मी बैठ जाओ. मम्मी लाइक नहीं करना है तो साथ में करना है एंड देन ही लाइक नहीं बहुत लेट हो जाएगा, एक का भी पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. Came home, I had a shower because वहाँ जाके तो it was like a waste. We wasted so much of time. I came here and I opened my bag. थोड़ा बहुत चीज़ें लेना था, वो kept sorting out, packing it. That's my sister's bag. उसका भी last minute चीज़ें बाकी है. We're almost done. It's almost 11:15. We should sleep early, so we have to get up early as well. Most probably 12:15 तक हो जाना चाहिए सब कुछ, and we should sleep. So yeah, tomorrow is the day when we are finally going. It's me, my mom and my sister. It's a first trip. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा tension ले रही हूँ because a lot of things on my shoulder. So it's a responsibility and I've never done such things. So yeah.